Write the ionic equation for the following precipitation reaction. Now, the first thing we have to do is to ensure that this reaction, this chemical equation is balanced. So looking at it critically, this chemical equation is balanced. The chemical equation is balanced. The next thing we do is to identify the precipitate formed. Now, in this precipitation reaction, a precipitate is formed, and that is copper hydroxide. Copper hydroxide is a precipitate form. We can see that every other compound there has aqueous state, but this copper hydroxide is in the solid state. So this is our precipitate in this reaction. Then step number 3, identify the ions that form the precipitate. Now let's break this down. We have here copper 2 ion, sulfate ion. So our precipitate is copper hydroxide. So that means that copper ion and hydroxide ion are the ions that formed the precipitate. Now the last step is to write the ionic equation for this precipitation reaction. Copper ion, aqueous, hydroxide ion, solid.